China is the world's largest producer and consumer of pork. Pork is a staple in the Chinese diet and plays a significant role in Chinese cuisine and culture, producing about 350 million metric tons of pork each year. The high demand for pork in China has led to the country's dominance in both the production and consumption of this meat. China's pork industry is vast, with both traditional small-scale farms and large industrial operations contributing to the supply to meet the domestic demand. Most farmers in China feed their pigs with golden corn. It is an excellent feed choice for the pigs. Its high carbohydrate content provides the energy pigs need for growth and development. Modern farms use specialized equipment to grind the corn into a coarse meal, ensuring that each kernel is broken down to maximize nutritional uptake. The pigs are also fed with hay. Hay is rich in fiber, which aids in digestion and keeps the pig's digestive systems functioning smoothly. As the farmer spreads the hay, the pigs eagerly gather, excited for their meal. Hay is not only a great source of fiber, but also provides essential vitamins and minerals. Plus, it's a natural and cost-effective feed option. In small-scale pig farming, raising pigs in cages is a common practice. It allows for better management of individual pigs and helps in maintaining hygiene and health standards. It also helps farmers to monitor their health more closely. Farmers can easily spot any issues and address them immediately, ensuring each pig receives the care it needs. These cages are designed to provide a safe and comfortable environment for the pigs. When the pigs are ready to harvest, the farmer will use the Hercule machine to transport them. This is because each pigs can weigh between 300 to 700 pounds each. The Hercule machine, a state-of-the-art tool designed to make pig handling easier and safer. They are specifically designed for the efficient and humane transport of pigs. It features a strong, yet gentle lifting mechanism that minimizes stress and injury to the animals. Pigs are gently guided into the transport area, where they will be lifted by the Hercule machine, preventing injury and ensuring comfort during the lift. The Hercule machine represents a significant advancement in pig farming, combining efficiency, safety, and animal welfare. It's a perfect example of how modern technology can improve traditional farming practices. After pigs are humanely slaughtered, they enter the initial processing phase. The pigs are immersed in boiling water to loosen their hair and ensures that the pigs are clean. After a precise amount of time, the pigs are removed from the boiling water and prepared for the fire room. In the fire chamber, these pigs are exposed to intense flames. This process, known as singeing, removes any remaining hair and sanitizes the skin. It's a crucial step to ensure the cleanliness and quality of the meat. The second phase is where they enter the cleaning process to ensure all impurities are removed. Once cleaned, the pigs are transferred to the cutting area. Here, skilled butchers and advanced machinery work together to break down the pigs into various cuts of meat. These larger sections are then further processed into smaller, more manageable pieces. Once the primal cuts are made, the meat is further divided into smaller cuts such as chops, ribs, and roasts. Butchers use sharp knives to make precise cuts, separating the meat into primal cuts like the shoulder, loin, and ham. The primary cuts used for sausage making are the pork shoulder, also known as the pork butt or picnic shoulder. These cuts come from the pig's shoulder area and are prized for their ideal meat-to-fat ratio. The pork shoulder has a good balance of lean meat and fat, which is crucial for making flavorful and juicy sausages. Too much lean meat can result in a dry sausage, while too much fat can make it greasy. The key to a good sausage is the right balance of meat and fat. The shoulder cuts provide this naturally, but sometimes we add fat from the belly to achieve the perfect texture and flavor. This ground meat is then ready for the next crucial step, seasoning. Seasonings are added to the ground meat to create the distinct flavors of different sausage varieties. The blend of spices, herbs, and sometimes additional ingredients like garlic or wine defines each type of sausage. Industrial mixers are used to blend the meat and seasonings evenly. The mixing process ensures that every bite of sausage will have the perfect balance of meat and spices. Once the meat is properly seasoned, it is then transferred to large bowls where ready for casing process. After mixing, the seasoned meat is loaded into casings, forming the sausages. These casings can be natural or synthetic, depending on the sausage type and production method. This process not only shapes the sausage, but also helps maintain its structure during cooking and smoking. Once the sausages are linked, they are transported to the smoke chamber. This is where they will receive their distinctive smoky flavor and color. Inside the smoke chamber, the sausages are hung on racks or hooks. The chamber is then filled with smoke from burning wood chips, which imparts a rich, smoky flavor to the sausages. The smoking process is essential for many types of sausages. It not only adds flavor, but also helps to preserve the meat. The sausages are now ready to be transported to the packaging area. Vacuum sealing is a common technique, which removes air and extends the product's shelf life. This is where they will be prepared for delivery to supermarkets, restaurants, and other food service providers. Thank you for joining us. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more insights. See you next time on Dodo Channel.